I were a Southerner, I wouldn't change my mind because, like a couple people have said already, we've gone too far.
Homeless and jobless. The nation turned to Abraham Lincoln to direct Reconstruction, the process of rebuilding. After all, he had just steered the ship of state through its greatest crisis.
They said that when he was assassinated, that they lost their best president.
No, their best moderate voice, the moderate speaker.
As president, he stood by while Southern leaders passed black codes, severely limiting the rights of freedmen. They needed special.
Do you think he cares about slaves now, or African Americans now, as you have watched what he's done for Reconstruction? Talking table.
I think so because he's offering shelter, food, medicine, that will help them become better.
I had said that Lincoln, he couldn't really show that he cared about the slave. It wasn't that he didn't care about them at all. He just couldn't show it because it would start even more of a war that was already going on.
Well, I like this note-taking process because I'm able to talk to my shoulder partners and everybody else at my table so that I could get their input on what we watched.
I really like that, let's say I forget what we learned, I could just go back and it makes it more clear, and I'm a visual learner, so therefore, and also a kinesthetic learner, so touching things and stuff helps.
While using this routine, I learned that students thrive in environments where they are allowed to choose, and they are proud of their notes a lot of the times. So if you come to my class, there's very high engagement during these days. Also, the fact that students can be creative, I think that's really important, right? Because this note-taking strategy allows students to create their own notes, create however they want to create it, and create in a way that they understand it.